ConservatoryLand help people achieve their conservatory dream by supplying bespoke, self-build conservatories in kit form, saving thousands of pounds. Getting a quote and ordering your conservatory from us is just as simple as the build itself. Request a brochure or quote, or call us to chat through your needs with one of our friendly sales advisors. Whether you need advice or guidance, we'll answer all your questions and help find the best solution. We'll send you a free brochure to flick through, helping you choose the style and specifications that suit you and your budget. Once you've made your choice, we'll send you a drawing of your conservatory with a detailed quote and payment options available. Once you're happy with the design, price and payment option, you can place your order. After confirming style and size, we'll manufacture your conservatory. We make the roof, frame and base in our own factory, so everything fits together perfectly for a quick and easy install. Your conservatory will be delivered free, using our own vehicles and drivers ready for installation, complete with step-by-step instructions. Plus, our technical support team are only a call away should you need assistance at any stage of installation. ConservatoryLand offer a full 10-year guarantee on all components. But if you have any questions now or in future, don't hesitate to contact us. We're a friendly bunch, always happy to help customers, old and new. Ready to build your dream conservatory and save thousands of pounds? Get in touch today.